Argentina, a country long plagued by economic mismanagement and political instability, is once again at a critical juncture. Under the leadership of President Javier Milei, who took office in December 2023, there is renewed hope for economic stabilization. His administration's aggressive reforms aim to curb hyperinflation, restore fiscal balance, and revitalize investor confidence. Yet, while the initial signs of recovery are promising, the path forward is fraught with challenges. For institutional investors, understanding the complexities of this environment is essential for making informed investment decisions. Foreign direct investment, or FDI, is a key indicator of economic stability and investor confidence. Under Milei's presidency, FDI flows have shown mixed signals. Between 2021 and 2022, FDI doubled to $15.4 billion, but the composition of these investments is crucial. A significant portion of this FDI came from intercompany loans and reinvestments of earnings, rather than new capital inflows. Equity investments accounted for only 5.4% of total FDI, marking the lowest share since 2014. This suggests that while existing businesses will reinvest, new investors are cautious, reflecting continued skepticism about Argentina's long-term economic stability. Milei's administration has prioritized fiscal discipline and market-friendly reforms, which have led to a notable decline in inflation and improvements in Argentina's debt position. However, the economic recovery is still fragile. July 2024 has brought inflation, which peaked at over 250%, down to 4%, reflecting Milei's commitment to stabilizing the currency and reducing public spending. Despite these achievements, several sectors continue to struggle. The construction sector, for instance, has seen a significant decline, with capacity utilization dropping from 68.6% to 54.5% over the past year. Unemployment has also risen to 7.7%, and consumer confidence remains low, as evidenced by a 16.1% drop in retail sales compared to the previous year. Given the current economic landscape, a targeted investment strategy focusing on key sectors can provide substantial returns while contributing to Argentina's broader economic recovery. Agriculture leveraging natural resources. Argentina's agricultural sector remains one of its strongest economic pillars, benefiting from vast arable land and favorable climatic conditions. The Milei administration has prioritized boosting agricultural exports as part of its broader economic reform agenda. Investment strategy: farmland acquisition. Acquiring farmland, particularly in regions producing high-value crops like soybeans and corn, could offer substantial long-term appreciation. With land prices still depressed because of currency devaluation, this is an opportune moment to invest. Agri-tech ventures. Investing in technologies that enhance agricultural productivity, such as precision farming tools and renewable energy solutions for farms, can increase yields and reduce costs, aligning with global sustainability trends. Financial sector banking on reforms. Economic volatility and low credit penetration have severely constrained Argentina's financial sector. However, Milei's focus on stabilizing the economy and attracting foreign investment could lead to a resurgence in financial services. Investment strategy: equity stakes in local banks. As economic stability improves, demand for financial services, from consumer loans to corporate finance, is likely to grow, making this a potentially high-return investment. Fintech innovation. The gap between traditional banking services and market needs presents an opportunity for fintech startups, especially in digital payments and microfinance. Real estate: a bet on urban growth. Regional peers value the real estate market in Argentina, particularly in cities like Buenos Aires, as undervalued. As the economic situation stabilizes, property values are likely to rise, providing attractive investment opportunities. Investment strategy: residential development. Focus on middle and upper middle class residential projects in key urban areas, anticipating increased demand as economic conditions improve. Commercial real estate. With potential increases in foreign investment and business activity, Commercial real estate in prime locations could offer both rental income and capital appreciation. Energy sector, tapping into vast reserves. Argentina's vast oil and gas reserves, particularly in the Vaca Muerta shale formation, present a unique opportunity. Milei's administration has shown a willingness to attract foreign investment into this sector, positioning the country as a key player in global energy markets. Investment strategy joint ventures in oil and gas. Partnering with local companies in developing shale reserves could yield substantial returns as global energy demand remains strong. Renewable energy projects. Investing in wind and solar projects not only aligns with ESG principles, but also offers long-term growth potential as Argentina seeks to diversify its energy matrix. Navigating political and economic risks. Despite the initial successes, Milei's reforms face significant challenges. His administration controls only a small fraction of the legislature, making the passage of further reforms uncertain. The economic recovery is still fragile, and any global downturn could derail Argentina's progress. Maintaining political stability and securing long-term investor confidence will be crucial for sustaining the current momentum. Risk mitigation strategies. Diversification. Allocate the $3 million across multiple sectors and asset classes, such as a mix of equities, real estate, and direct business investments, to spread risk. Political risk management. Engage with local stakeholders and political risk consultants to stay informed about shifts in the political climate that could impact investment strategies. Flexible investment horizon. Maintain a portion of the investment in liquid assets to allow for rapid reallocation in response to changing conditions. The role of FDI in Argentina's recovery. Foreign direct investment will play a pivotal role in Argentina's economic recovery. For Milei's administration, attracting new FDI is not just about financial inflows, it is also about restoring confidence in the country's long-term prospects. This requires more than just economic stabilization. It demands deep structural reforms to reduce bureaucratic red tape, stabilize the currency, and create a more predictable investment environment. Aligning profit with purpose. The ESG perspective. Institutional investors have a unique opportunity to align financial returns with a positive social impact. By investing in sectors that drive economic growth and create jobs, such as agriculture and financial services, investors can contribute to Argentina's development while achieving strong returns. Focusing on ESG principles such as sustainable agriculture and financial inclusion can enhance both the social impact and long-term viability of investments. A calculated bet on Argentina's future. With $3 million to deploy, a thoughtful, diversified investment strategy could yield substantial returns while supporting Argentina's economic resurgence. The key lies in balancing risk and opportunity, leveraging local expertise, and remaining agile in response to an evolving political and economic landscape. As always, this analysis is hypothetical and does not make up financial advice. However, for those willing to navigate the complexities of an emerging market in transformation, Argentina presents a compelling case for cautious optimism and strategic investment. In conclusion, the success of such an endeavor will depend not only on economic factors but also on the resilience and adaptability of those willing to invest in Argentina's promising yet uncertain future. If you would like to speak with us and build the right team for your investment, contact us. Subscribe and hit the notification button to get new articles and market updates as we publish them. Thank you. Make the background music classical. Settings. Use a male clear American voice for the narrator. Add bold subtitles with popping effect. Don't use iStock.